Hi everyone, we are here at Dio's place. Say hi to them. Say good morning. How are you? I'm fine. How's your day? I'm fine. And who are you looking for? I'm looking for Tito. Hi. I'm looking for Tito. I'm looking for Tito. Boy. Boy, boy. Na, hi Tito. Sleep ka na?
Ginagawa mo.
Say hi Tito.
Hi.
Tito. Tito. Hi Tito. What's that? What's this? What's this? Look, look Dio. Look Dio. Oh. What's this? What's this? Monkey. What is the sound of the monkey? What about the hands? Like this. Come on. What's the sound of the monkey? Come on. Come on. Come here. Okay. Let's proceed to another one. What's the sound of the cat? Cat, tell me. What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of the dog? Who is your favorite dog? Is it Thor, Loki, Storm, Wanda? Who's your favorite dog? Trixie? Trixie is your favorite dog? Or Thor? Dio? Dio? What is the sound of a bird?
No, no, no.
No, it's not ow ow. What is the sound of a bird? What else? What is the sound of a horse? Do you know? Kanding mo na doy. What's the sound of a horse? What's the sound of Dio? Look at Tita. Dio. Truck? Truck? Hey, say hi to Tito. Say hi to... Look at the camera, baby. Baby Dio, look at the camera. Say hi to Tito Boy Boy. Come on. Dio. Hey. Say hi to Tito Boy Boy. Ah, Tito Boy Boy. Hi, Tito Boy Boy. Ouch. Dio. Say hi to Daddy na lang. Hi, Daddy. Say hi. 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 Say hi to Wowo. Hi, Wowo.
Hi.
Kumusta na mo dira? Na kamusta? Nang mais. At ito, ay Tito Wowo, kumusta na atong mais? Mga kaibigan, may panawagan po ang ating munting tao. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? Dio, what do you want to say? Dio, hey.
Ginagawa mo.
What do you want to say?
Hi.
Just hi. How's everyone? How are you? How are you? Dio, how are you? Say bye-bye na. Come on, say bye. Goodbye, vlog. Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Mwah. Say see. See you next time. See you. See you. Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Yeah, 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 yeah. telephone